Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you top 5 best spin mop for laminate floors on the market in this year with budget friendly. Get ready for an in-depth review that'll help you decide if this gadget lives up to the hype. Check the link in the description. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. So let's start it. Number 1. Bissell Spin Mop, a game changer for laminate floors. This innovative mop effortlessly combines convenience and effectiveness. Say goodbye to tedious cleaning routines and hello to sparkling floors in a breeze. Its unique spin mechanism tackles dirt with ease, leaving your laminate floors gleaming and pristine. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making cleaning a joy. With the Bissell Spin Mop, your laminate floors will shine like never before. Elevate your cleaning game and experience the magic today. Number 2. O-Cedar Spin Mop. Say goodbye to tedious cleaning routines and hello to effortless shine. This mop's innovative spin technology effortlessly lifts dirt and leaves your floors gleaming like never before. Glide through your laminate paradise with ease, as its gentle yet effective design ensures a streak-free finish. Cleaning is now a breeze, thanks to the O-Cedar Spin Mop's user-friendly features. Elevate your cleaning game and let your laminate floors dazzle with this must-have tool. Experience the future of floor care today. Number 3. Mastertop Spin Mop. Say goodbye to tedious cleaning and hello to effortless shine. This spin mop's innovative design is a laminate floor's best friend, effortlessly gliding across surfaces for a dazzling clean. With its seamless spin mechanism and ultra-absorbent microfiber, every swipe is a step towards a spotless haven. Cleaning isn't a chore anymore, it's a satisfying dance with the Mastertop Spin Mop. Elevate your cleaning routine and let your laminate floors gleam like never before. Number 4. Gobit Spin Mop, the ultimate game changer for laminate floors. Experience cleaning nirvana with its effortless spin technology, whisking away dirt and grime in seconds. Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing and hello to sparkling laminate floors that gleam with pride. Gobit's ergonomic design and hassle-free maneuverability make every cleaning session a breeze. Unleash the power of efficiency and elegance, tailored specifically for your laminate floors. Elevate your cleaning routine with Gobit Spin Mop, because your floors deserve nothing but the best. Number 5. EOS Spin Mop. This powerhouse of cleanliness effortlessly tackles dirt and spills, leaving your floors gleaming like new. Its ergonomic design ensures a seamless, hassle-free mopping experience, while the innovative spin technology wrings out every drop, avoiding excess moisture on delicate laminate. With EOS, your laminate floors stay captivatingly clean with minimal effort. Elevate your floor care routine today with the EOS Spin Mop, a must-have for laminate floor enthusiasts. Thanks for tuning in to discover the top spin mop options for your laminate floors. Achieve effortless cleaning and maintain the pristine look of your flooring with these exceptional choices. Make your decision based on your needs and preferences, and enjoy a hassle-free cleaning experience. Thanks for watching.